आपको आवाज़ थोड़ा पकड़नी है और थोड़ा मेरा जो गुड मॉर्निंग हम बोलेंगे उसको थोड़ा कैचअप करिएगा। वो आवाज़ काफ़ी तेज होगी, उसे ही करना है, ठीक है ना। डर मुझे भी था, डर मुझे भी था फासला देखकर, डर मुझे भी था फासला देखकर, मैं आगे बढ़ता गया रास्ता देखकर, मैं आगे बढ़ता गया रास्ता देखकर, खुद ब खुद मंजिल मेरे करीब आती गई, खुद ब खुद मंजिल मेरे करीब आती गई, मेरा हौसला देखकर। अ वेरी वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। Today I am here to tell you something very special. Today I am going to tell you how you can become a good speaker. How can you listen your inner voice? How can you develop your proficiency? How can you work your inner heart? One thing is very important, to listen your inner voice. One thing is very important, to do something for your personal life. One thing is very important, to do something for your career, for your ambition, for your achievements, for your journey. You know what is this? You know what is this? That is your expressions, that is your feelings, that is your emotions, that is your goals. This is really, if you want to chase your goals, if you want to achieve something in your life, if you want to do something in your life, do something very special. Leave your comfort zone, open your new comfort zone. Leave the area where you love a lot and open your area where you want to love something, when you want to do something. Ladies and gentlemen, today I wanted to tell you one thing, and that is very important for your career, and that is dedication. I'm talking about your dedication. I'm talking about your emotions, your feeling, your dedication. Why dedication is very important? Because when you dedicate for something, that will come to you. If you want to develop your skill like English, you have to dedicate for your English language. You have to wake up early at morning, very soon. You have to awake at night only for English language. You have to listed your time for your English language. You have to memorize the things for your English language. Whatever you want to develop, wherever you want to go, wherever you want to achieve, you have to do, but you have to make your common sense. You have to list your time for your according your time. Make your time what is good for me and what is not good for me. How can I do better and how it will good for me. So if you are dedicated for your English language, if you want to enhance your English, if you want to polish your English, you have to come on time. You have to give time for it. You have to speak for it. You have to do some special thing for it. You have to take actions for it. Without taking actions, you can't do anything. So taking action is very important. Repetition, speaking, all are the things are very important. Now I would like to call one of you who has a dare, who has a passion, who want to speak something, who want to open your heart, and who want to challenge yourself to come on the stage and speak something. Speak something miraculous. Speak something splendid. Speak something energetic. You have to turn your eyes opened. You have to open your heart and tell something from your inner heart. Now I am here to tell you something. Now I am here to talk to you something. Now I am here to speak something that is very important for us. Ladies and gentlemen, we are enough confident. We are enough lucky that we have get this auspicious day to improve our confidence. This is a very wonderful, this is a very great, energetic and auspicious day for us, because we are under the one roof and we are learning English language. We are improving English language and we are dedicating for it. So we should proud of ourselves, because we are whatever we are doing. Lot of people are not doing, lot of students are not doing, lot of boys are not doing, lot of girls are not doing. We are enough lucky that we have this classroom to learn something, to take some actions from our personal goals, to speak something that make us proud of, to speak something that makes our parents proud of. So listen from your heart, take actions from your heart, do something from your heart. Whatever your heart is telling, you have to follow your heart and be forward. So I want to call one of you, please come here and prove yourself. Come here and say, yes, I cannot speak English, but I am trying. Yes, I cannot stand properly here, but I am trying to stand here. Yes, I cannot speak a single word, but I am trying broken English. Yes, I am not able to face you, but I am trying here to face all of you. You have to face, you have to come, you have to take challenges, you have to show your inner soul, and you have to show your confidence, you have to show your perseverance. If really you are going to do it, it will help you, it will boost you. So now who is ready? Who wants to come? Who wants to show today? Is there anyone? Who? I am calling from you, all of you. Now are you ready? Instead of her, is there anyone? Anyone is ready? So without wasting a time, I am going to call the person who is eagerly waiting her turn. I am going to call the person who is really absolutely, she wants to speak on the stage. She wants to develop their English. She doesn't think about this is day or night. She does hard work. I'm not talking to any others. None of others, just I'm talking Miss Divya. Please come on the stage and try to speak out something miraculous. Clap for her!
अगर जिंदगी में खुश रहना है तो पहले सुनना सीखो, खर्च करने से पहले कमाना सीखो, लिखने से पहले समझना सीखो, और हार मानने से पहले कोशिश करना सीखो, और मरने से पहले खुल के जीना सीखो, क्योंकि यही ज़िंदगी जीने का असली तरीका। जो समझ गया वो पूरी शिद्दत से, पूरी ताकत से जीता है, और जो वक्त का इंतजार करता रहे तो वो तो आज की रियलिटी है। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक थैंक्स मिस्टर अली सर who has given this golden chance to speak my yesterday story. Last week I was going the party. I wanted to tell to my friends about it, but my ego said do this. Then I decided not to tell anything about it, my friends. Later on, I got ready, reached over there, and I reached on time. When I reached there, I saw my friends. He was all ready.